Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to go over the integration between Shopify Point of Sale and custom pricing, as well as show you how easy it is to activate and use this integration in Shopify POS. With this integration, customer pricing discounts are automatically applied to your customers' orders within Shopify POS in the discount section when a tag customer is added into the cart along with eligible products. Before we go over the setup, please note that this integration is only available on the complete plan in custom pricing, and custom pricing must be set to the accelerated draft order method. With that being said, let's go through the activation together. Custom pricing can be activated either within the POS app or in your Shopify admin. To activate custom pricing in the Shopify admin, navigate to Sales Channels, Point of Sale. Click Settings under Point of Sale, then click POS Apps. Select Bold Custom Pricing Wholesale, click Add to All to add custom pricing to all locations, then click Save. To activate custom pricing in the Shopify POS app, click Add Tile from the menu at the bottom of the page. Select App, then select Custom Pricing. Click Add next to Custom Pricing, then click Save. After custom pricing has been enabled, you can start applying discounts from custom pricing in Shopify POS orders. Please ensure your custom pricing discounts and tags have been created in custom pricing and the tags are applied to your customers' accounts. To apply a discount from custom pricing to an order in Shopify POS, navigate to Products. Select a product with a discount in custom pricing and click Add to Cart. In my example, I'm going to select this coffee bag. Next, navigate to the Customers page and click on a customer with a relevant custom pricing tag to select them. You can filter your customers by tag to ensure that the customer you select has the relevant custom pricing tag. Next, click Add to Cart. Navigate back to the home page and you should see the Bold Custom Pricing discount automatically added to the order. Proceed with the rest of the checkout process as usual. And that's all there is to it. For more information on this integration, please visit our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.